Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're reviewing the Ninja Crispy Glass Air Fryer 4-in-1. A compact glass-based air fryer that claims to be portable, powerful, and stylish. But is it really worth the price? Let's start with the design and portability. The Crispi features two borosilicate glass containers and a detachable power pod heating base, allowing you to cook, serve, and store food in the same dish. According to The Kitchen, the design is a fresh rethink of air fryers thanks to its see-through glass and heat-resistant bowls that make it ideal for small kitchens and dorms. Now for performance, it runs on 1500 watts and supports 4 modes: Air Fry, Max Crisp, Bake, and Re-Crisp. Serious Eats notes that it crisps frozen foods impressively and works great for fries and nuggets. Meanwhile, Wired reports that while results are consistent, the internal temperature can be about 10 degrees Fahrenheit lower than the dial setting, a minor issue for perfectionists. Finally, value and price. The Crispi retails for around $160 according to Tom's Guide and Homes and Gardens, who both praise its compactness but admit its limited capacity isn't ideal for families. So, is it worth it? If you want a stylish, space-saving glass air fryer for quick solo meals, absolutely. But if you cook for more than one person, the smaller basket and premium price might make larger Ninja models a better deal. And that would be all for today's video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.